Welcome to the Coursiv AI Training video. In this session, we'll explore the innovative tools and technologies that are shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your existing skills, this training is designed to provide you with valuable insights and hands-on techniques. Although this training consists of 7 core principles, I will provide a quick overview of 6 applications, followed by an in-depth training session on ChatGPT. We'll cover a range of topics including image generation, conversational AI, data analysis, and content creation. By the end of this training, you'll have a solid understanding of how to effectively use these AI tools in your projects, whether you're in marketing, design, or software development. Stable Diffusion, an open-source image generation model that creates detailed images from text prompts using diffusion techniques. It's customizable for various artistic styles. For example, it can generate a futuristic cityscape, fantasy creatures like dragons, or surreal images like a cat in a spacesuit. It's useful for artists, marketing teams, and game developers needing visual assets. Claude 3.7, developed by Anthropic, this conversational AI prioritizes safety and ethical interactions while providing nuanced responses to complex queries. It can handle knowledge queries about renewable energy, assist with coding questions, summarize articles, and brainstorm creative writing ideas. It's ideal for customer support, educational tools, and writing assistance. DeepSeek, this AI-driven data retrieval tool enhances search capabilities across large data sets, making it easier to extract insights. It can analyze sales trends, perform sentiment analysis on customer feedback, predict future outcomes, and create data visualizations. It's beneficial for businesses, researchers, and organizations looking to improve customer satisfaction. Jasper AI. This AI tool focuses on content generation for marketers and writers, streamlining the creation of high-quality content. It can generate blog content, product descriptions, social media posts, and email campaigns. It's highly useful for content marketing agencies, small business owners, and social media managers. Midjourney AI is a powerful tool for generating artistic images from text prompts, known for producing visually striking and imaginative outputs. It allows users to create detailed renderings, thematic illustrations, and explore various artistic styles, making it a valuable resource for artists, designers, and marketers looking for unique visuals. DALL-E, developed by OpenAI, is an innovative AI model that creates highly creative images from textual descriptions. It enables users to visualize concepts that may not exist, generating everything from fictional scenes to artistic interpretations. DALL-E is ideal for illustrators, game developers, and marketers seeking compelling imagery that captures the imagination. ChatGPT is an advanced conversational AI model developed by OpenAI, designed to generate human-like text responses across a wide range of applications. It excels in understanding and responding to user queries, making it suitable for various interactions, including chatbots, content generation, and educational tools. Key features: engaging conversations. ChatGPT can hold natural and friendly dialogues, making it ideal for virtual assistants and customer support. Knowledge and information. It answers questions on diverse topics, providing informative responses and explanations. Creative writing assistance. The model aids in brainstorming ideas, writing prompts, and even crafting stories. Learning and tutoring. ChatGPT simplifies complex subjects, making it a valuable tool for educational purposes. In summary, these 7 AI tools represent significant advancements in their respective fields, each offering unique capabilities. Stable Diffusion empowers artists and developers by generating detailed images from text prompts, enabling creativity in various styles. Claude 3.7 prioritizes safety and ethical interactions, making it a reliable conversational AI for knowledge queries, coding assistance, and creative brainstorming. DeepSeek enhances data analysis and retrieval, providing valuable insights for businesses and researchers to improve decision-making and customer satisfaction. ChatGPT excels in generating human-like text, serving as a versatile assistant for customer support, content generation, and educational tools. Jasper AI streamlines content creation for marketers and writers, facilitating the production of high-quality materials for blogs, social media, and email campaigns. Midjourney AI stands out for its ability to create visually striking artistic images, offering a valuable resource for artistic inspiration and unique visuals. DALL-E allows users to visualize imaginative concepts through creative image generation, making it ideal for illustrators and marketers seeking captivating imagery.